Here's an update from the law offices of Lutz, Bobo, and Telfair.
New research suggests men who have used testosterone replacement therapy are 30% more likely to have a heart attack, stroke, or even die after just 3 years of use. The risk for heart attack and stroke goes up after using the products for just 90 days. That's scary. It's also unfair to these men who are trying to better their health, not hurt it, says Charlie Telfair of Lutz, Bobo, and Telfair, PA. Testosterone therapies are used to help boost levels in men who are deficient of the male hormone. It's often treated with prescription topical creams. Are you sick as a result of testosterone replacement therapy? If so, reach out to our law office. We'd love to look at your case and get you the help that you deserve. For 25 years, the trial lawyers of Lutz, Bobo, and Telfair, PA have helped people across Southwest Florida, and they're waiting to help you.
For more information about your legal rights, please visit suncoastpersonalinjury.com.